Okay, so what is the first step in making the
Put
DIY
salt
paint?
and flour into the flour. We're gonna have to add a bit more water. Mix it. Mix it until it's not lumpy anymore. Yeah, or chunky. No lumps or chunky. You know when the right consistency when it's not chunky anymore. And it's like a pancake mix. So mine, I chose yellow and purple. And mine is white and blue. Okay, so I'm gonna add it now. Okay, now time to start.
But be careful.
Don't add too much or not too little. My color, and this is mine. There's a lot. There's a little bit a lot of green. And this is all the
Color, right?
No, it's color yellow. No, it's just not mixed.
How about Jesse's?
Blue. Not time to mix.
So let's see what's gonna be the outcome of the color.
Yeah. Mine will be blue, green.
What color will it be if you mix blue and green?
Blue, green.
And how about purple and yellow?
I don't know. It's kind of like a monster color. Wow.
What color is
I
that?
like it. I think it's turning to teal. I think mine is my hand, and these are my hands. Well, this one is not as messy. And then actually two birds. And then the green grass. We just need an abstract. Like it like this one has a secret base. This one.
Secret what?
A secret tree house. It looks like a tree, but it's actually a tree house. We put the materials down below so that you can make your own DIY paint too. If you like more of our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and